Unlike traditional rigs, the RD20 is self-contained with an onboard air drilling system. For air or underbalanced drilling jobs, the RD20 saves time and money because it requires fewer trailer loads. From the time the RD20 pulls on location until it begins turning to the right can be less than 1 hour for a simple site, or as little as 3 hours for the rig on a substructure, with all the auxiliary equipment required for a deep air or mud location. 7 hydraulic jacks and the twin 16-inch I-beam frame members form a solid, rigid base for drilling, even under the most strenuous drilling and tripping conditions. Power is productivity. Other rigs use smaller engines and demand flow hydraulic systems that reduce performance when the going gets tough and you need power the most. Not a problem with the RD20. Its 755 horsepower deck engine provides more than enough power to take on the most demanding drilling conditions without lugging down or reducing engine life. Twin cables run over large diameter nylotron shivs and are attached to the rotary head. As the cylinders move the carriage up 1 foot, the rotary head moves up 2 feet at twice the speed. Pullback loads are transferred from the rotary head to the feed cylinders, which are firmly attached to the main drill frame, crossmember, and table structure. A stronger, longer-lasting design. This patented system is fast and reliable and exhibits precise feed control, saving even more time and money when you're on the clock. You know better than anyone that speed and safe handling of tubulars are critical issues. The RD20 is easily adapted to an automated pipe handling system. From start to finish, the RD20 packs more production into a shorter period of time. The RD20 Power Pack is a good example. The engine, compressor, and hydraulic pump drive are all mounted on a steel subframe. The subframe is spring-mounted to the main drill frame. This floating Power Pack design allows the frame to flex and twist slightly in the transport mode while maintaining alignment of the power components, resulting in less downtime and extending the life of the rig. If your application calls for air drilling, the onboard 1250 CFM 350 PSI compressor package allows the RD20 to begin making hole as soon as it's set up. A standard air piping manifold has built-in connections for an auxiliary compressor and a booster. Simply hook them up and drill. Water and foam injection systems and a downhole drill lubricator can also be added to the rig. If you're drilling with mud, Atlas Copco's in-out box disconnects the compressor from the engine, reducing fuel consumption and compressor wear. A mud manifold is also available to connect an off-board mud system. Operator controls are positioned for convenience and function. The platforms can be removed when the rig is operating on a substructure. All of the piping and hoses are 3 inches in diameter and are rated for 1500 PSI operation with an additional safety factor. The frame, derrick, and table are the key to the RD20's strength and reliability. All of the core structures are modeled on a CAD design system. New or modified structures are sent to the Design and Test Center for comprehensive stress analysis, strain gauging, and physical testing. Every RD20 goes through a rigorous test program